Alright guys, what's up? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and we are here today with another 3.7. This one is our first customer installed. These guys right here installed it. Mafia single turbo kit S197. So we are on E85. We got the FIC 1000 injectors in it. So we got the boost controller in it. So how much horsepower do you guys want to make?
All of it.
Well, all of it will blow this thing to the moon. This kit can make like 800. But 600 is about the limit. So we'll park her somewhere between 550 horsepower and 600 wheel. We might do a 600 run and then dial her back down with some little timing. That way you can daily drive it and it's not gonna blow up. So we'll do our best. We're gonna get her strapped down right now, and then we'll make a couple tweaks on idle, get her running a little bit better than how we gave a base tune, and then we'll start doing some pulls. We'll show you guys what she makes. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so we've made a couple pulls. Let's go look at it. Everybody's hanging out right now. We're letting the car cool down a little bit. We gave, yeah, see here, hanging out. Everybody's hanging out. We made 485. We're on standard. This is smoothing 1. Yeah, smoothing 1. That last pull, we just revved her out a little further at about 75. Made 485.4 horse, 450 foot-pounds of torque on a hot run. So we're just gonna be dialing her in little bit by little bit here. You can see that our boost really, when I'm hitting at about 3, she just comes in strong. Right about 4, maybe 41, 42. Boost is pretty much peaking, and we're revving her through it, and she's making all the power. So we're gonna turn up the timing a little bit because it was at like 10 degrees. It's low. And this has got E85, although we don't know if it's good E85 or not because somebody didn't test their E85. That guy. Always test your E85. Always, always, always. Otherwise, you're gonna pull a David Sosa and you're gonna go boom because you didn't test it. Always test it. Because if you don't get good 85, that's cool, it's fine. You just put on a lower boost level tune and a tune with less timing. We will include a safe tune when we tune you guys. Not a problem. That's easy for us to do. This thing is awesome. I think we're probably almost done here. 81, almost there. We're absolutely getting it. I am stoked. So I think we're gonna make, let's get some guesses. What do you guys think we're gonna make? We added a couple degrees of timing. Same boost level, roughly 8-9 PSI. We made 485.
512.
512?
I was gonna say like 526.
526? All right, James, what do you think?
What's up?
What are we gonna make on this run? We added some timing, same boost level.
I'd say 528.
528, what do you think, man?
532.
532, but woo, these guys are guessing high. All right, Cody, what are we gonna make on this run? We just added timing, nothing else.
For the next pull, 515.
Okay.
Max it out at 480.
505, 480. We'll see, those are all pretty good. Like I said, I'm gonna guess just barely over 5. I think we're gonna make 515, 510, and probably like that 480, 490 on this pull. We didn't add a ton of timing, just added a little bit of timing to it because we're gonna turn up the boost here in a minute. Make 10 to 12 PSI and hit that 600 horsepower mark. So let's do it. Alrighty guys, so we've been messing with the tune for a minute. The car just doesn't want to take any timing, so I'm gonna call this like E50, E60 blend, maybe even E30, because he only put a couple gallons of E85 in it. We don't have any at the shop left right now, so we can't do a full E85. It should be taking another 4, 5, 6 degrees of timing. It's just not. It's really, in all honesty, it's kind of tuning like it's 93. It's only taking 93 timing. So we're gonna change tactic, and we're gonna up the boost instead of upping the timing, because it's taking that timing. So we're gonna up the boost and see how that goes. But this is dang near like an E30, E50 tune. Definitely not a full E85 or race gas tune whatsoever. It is just not taking the timing. So we did a turn and a half. That might give us half a pound, maybe a pound of boost. It's our first test. So when we see how much boost we gain on this one, then we'll go from there and turn it up more. We're gonna try and turn it up until we're making 11, 12 pounds of boost, and we'll run her there. So loading the tune, send it.
Why is the graph not there?
Move out of the way! I gotta do this.
Look at that score.
613 foot-pounds.
Damn.
Alright, that's good. We'll just leave it like that.
We'll take it.
We'll take it. We're good. It felt good. It felt really good.
It sounded
She
so
was
good out there. I was
pulling
like,
hard.
I'm like, dude, that thing is screaming right now.
As soon as they got in the boost, I was like, ah, it's different.
Yeah, as soon as she came into boost, I was like, oh, there she is.
Yeah, I could tell. I was sitting in the back there trying to get a different angle, and I could see the whole car lift. You go, oh, that's a good pull.
And it took all the timing I gave it.
There we go.
And it added some.
There we go. 500 on 11 pounds. E85 or E. When you say it was like E50 something like that?
Needs some more fuel.
Yeah.
Yo, that shit's slow as fuck. I'm gapping in my V6 Mustang.
All right, guys. So that run was, now it like disappeared on me. 607 horsepower, 613 foot-pounds of torque. Basically 10, 11 psi. It held 11 pretty strong. We fixed the knock issue, and then we were getting low on fuel, so we added 5 more gallons of E85 that we had here that we found. Added some fuel to it. We're gonna do another run. I'm not adding any timing or anything to it. We're just gonna do another run. We should be right around the same horsepower. If we are, we're gonna leave it there, and then we're gonna go see what she's like on the street. So I'm gonna get this tune loaded with the more fuel, so she's a little happier, a little fatter, and yeah, then we'll go do it. That's where we want her. A little safer. Here we go. All right. All right, so traction control is probably not on or gonna work. We'll do a UE right here. You to put it in sport mode, give it a downshift, one more, there you go. So go ahead and punch it. There you go, you're in drive. I shifted her for you.
God damn.
I knew you needed to concentrate on the steering wheel because we were spinning on, are these Mickey Thompsons?
Yeah.
We were spinning on Mickey Thompsons, guys. But now we can just cruise because she cruises. No big deal.
Oh shit.
Yeah, a little shaky. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, a little shaky, huh? Well, awesome, guys. That is our Mafia single turbo kit. James here's the first one to put it on himself. What do you think?
Definitely the most badass kit that's on the market right now.
Amen, brother. I turned it down about a turn and a half. It was pretty crazy, so yeah. Why don't you go ahead and give it one more, give her the beans.
The Corvette back there, he gone.
Yep. He don't want none. So guys, I just want to reiterate something. We have the air conditioning on. It's blowing cold. And we have almost 600 horsepower. It's a good day. So James here drove all the way down from Pennsylvania, right?
Yep.
18-hour drive to get our dyno tune. He installed our kit himself, saved himself some money, drove down and got our dyno tune, got the Mafia sauce. It's the way to go. I think that's probably going to be it, so we will check you guys later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
No way! Dude, James just walked this fucking Hellcat. Holy shit.